Instructional objectives, targets for instruction. What are instructional objectives? What do they tell us? They tell us what we want learners to be able to do as a result of instruction. They also help us design, evaluate, and redesign instruction. And we follow the traditional ABCD model, where A is the audience of instruction. B is the behavior or the performance that we're going to evaluate. C, the conditions under which the performance must occur. And D is the degree of performance, that which we find acceptable. Now, how do we build objectives? What is the process? Well, the first thing is that the behavior has to be an action. It has to be clearly observable. And that's where most people fall into a trap, is that they pick a performance, they pick something that is not observable. It has to be performance. It has to be something that you can observe. The next thing, conditions must be explicit. It has to be the tools that learners can use or not use when they perform. And then the degree has to be consistent standards. What is acceptable performance? How do we measure what is acceptable? It helps to have a roadmap. It helps for learners and the instructor to know what they're looking for when talking about a successful performance. So let's look at an example. Let's put it together. For example, here's an audience of 4th grade math students who will be able to behavior, solve 20 basic algebraic equations. Condition, individually and with no calculator. Degree, within 10 minutes and achieve a score of 90%. Now, go practice the ABCD model of objectives.